This is going to be point slope form. So point slope form is really useful when you're given a point on a line and you're given the slope. This allows you to write the equation of the line and then you can rearrange to slope-intercept form if you want. Point slope form looks like this. Y minus y1 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x1. And so that's when you're given slope of m and a point x1 and y1. So I'm just going to make up a problem. So sometimes you might be told you have a line with the slope of -3 and it goes through the point of 7, 1. So here I'm given a slope and I'm given a point, an x and a y value. So my slope of -3 is m. Here's x1 and y1. So all we have to do is plug that into our equation. So you get y minus y1, which in this case is 1, is equal to m, -3, times the quantity x minus x1, which is 7. So this is the equation of the line in point slope form. Now, we can do some algebra in order to get this in slope-intercept form. So here's what I'm going to do. And this depends on what you're being asked to do. But I'm going to distribute the -3, which would give me y minus 1 is equal to -3x plus 21. And then I can add 1 to both sides. And so I end up with y equals -3x plus 22. Now I'm in slope-intercept form. The reason you might want to do this is, number one, you might be asked to. And number two, this makes things easier to graph. So I know that my y-intercept now is at 0, 22, and I know that my slope is -3. Let's look at one more. So if I'm told I have a line with a slope of 4/7 and goes through the point 1, -4. So I have a slope, that's m. Here's x1, y1. So y minus y1 is equal to m, so 4/7 times the quantity x minus x1, which is 1. So I'm going to do a couple steps. I'm going to distribute the 4/7. And again, this is only if you need to get into slope-intercept form, but I'm showing you the whole thing. And then this is y minus a negative makes it a positive. So y plus 4 is equal to 4/7 x minus 4/7. And we just subtract 4 on both sides. And so negative 4/7 minus 4. I made this up on the fly, so that's why I'm not getting pretty numbers, but you end up getting y equals 4/7 x minus 32/7. So this is point slope form up here. And if you're asked to write an equation for a line and I don't specify that it needs to be in a certain form, point slope form is totally acceptable. If I say put it in slope intercept form, then you'll need to do that distribution step and whatnot to get into slope intercept form.